Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Zapier with Woocommerce. So first go to create a Zap, and then our trigger will be Woocommerce. So now just select an event. For example, when a booking occurs, a certain action will trigger. So now sign into your Woocommerce account, just fill in the details and then just click authorize. And then for action, let's select Gmail, and then our event will be send email, and then click continue, and then just add the email. So for example, I'm just going to put email@gmail.com, and then fill in the remaining details such as subject and your body. So I'm just going to type some letters, and yes, so this is how you use Zapier with Woocommerce. Just click continue and then you're done. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.